Good morning, students. This is class 5th and I am teaching chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is phrases and clauses. Okay, let's start. Read these sentences carefully. Okay, so here 3 sentences are given to you. Okay, and they are telling you to read it carefully. पूरे ध्यान से पढ़िए. Number 1. Working at this job is a lot of fun. The boy in the red suit is my brother. The party will be organized at sunset. Okay. In the above sentences, the words in color do not have a subject and a predicate. Okay. So you can see over here, a lot of fun neither has a subject nor has a predicate. Here in this also it is same. This sentence in the red suit, here also a subject and a predicate is not there. The party will be organized at sunset. Okay, so here over here at sunset also it is not having a subject or a predicate. Okay, moreover these small groups of words, a lot of fun, in a black suit and at sunset, make no sense by themselves. Okay, ये तीनों words ही, ये जो तीनों group of words हैं, ये कुछ भी sense नहीं बना रहे हैं. Okay, each of the group of words depends on their other group of words to do so. Okay, such a group of word is known as phrase. और ऐसे ही group of words को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Phrase. Okay, a phrase is a group of related words that does not have a subject or predicate or both. Okay, so a phrase is a group of related words. Okay, phrase क्या है? एक ऐसा group of words होता है जिसमें ना ही subject होता है, ना ही predicate होता है, या ना ही दोनों चीज हो सकता है. Phrases do not make a complete sense. Okay, they do not make a complete sense. Okay, therefore they are not sentences. इसीलिए हम phrases को sentences नहीं बोल सकते हैं. Why? Because they do not make a complete sense. Okay, got it? Now underline the phrases in the following sentences. Okay, so over here some phrases are given to you. You have to underline them. Okay, sorry, some sentences are given to you. You have to underline the phrases. Okay, let's start. They were arguing in a heated manner. Okay, so in a heated manner over here is your phrase. Okay, it's a phrase. It is not a sentence. It's a phrase. Why? Because it neither has a subject nor a predicate. Second, I am standing here on behalf of my colleagues. So on behalf of is a phrase. On the whole, I had a happy childhood. On a whole, here is your phrase. Can you help me in any way? In any way is your phrase because it neither has a subject nor a predicate. We are impressed with her performance. So with her performance, here is your phrase. Okay, the girl in the red skirt is a dancer. In the red skirt, here is a phrase. I enjoy reading books. Reading books, here is your phrase. Okay, why? Because it is neither having a subject nor a predicate. The man with the beard took a picture. Beard क्या होता है? दाढ़ी. Okay, the man with the beard took a picture. So with a beard, here is your phrase. Running quickly is also known as sprinting. Okay, so known as sprinting, here is your phrase. Okay, because it neither has a subject nor a predicate or both. Okay, so let me tell you again, a phrase is a group of related words that does not have a subject or predicate or both. Okay, तो phrase एक ऐसे group of words होते हैं जिनके ना ही subject होते हैं, ना ही predicate होते हैं, या both, या वो दोनों ही नहीं होते हैं. Okay, phrases do not make a complete sense. Okay, जो phrases होते हैं वो पूरी तरीके से sense नहीं बनाते हैं. Therefore they are not sentences. और इसीलिए हम लोग phrases को sentences नहीं कह सकते हैं. Okay, now you have to learn this definition. This is your definition. Okay, and you have to practice this exercise. Okay, got it? Last one. The day over, I decided to go to sleep. Okay, so day over, the day over here is your phrase. Okay, read these sentences carefully. My sister started crying when she cooked her result. When she looked her result. Over here, see, you can see over here. The dog that is wagging its tail is my pet. Okay, in these sentences there is a subject and a predicate. Okay, so in the above sentences you can find that they are having subject and a predicate, so they are sentences, इसीलिए हम इनको क्या कहेंगे, sentences कहेंगे. The words in color have a subject. Okay, जो words of color हैं इनके पास subject है. Okay, और verb, इनके पास verb भी है. Okay, and a predicate of its own. Okay, और इनके पास predicate है अपना खुद का, इनके पास सब्जेक्ट भी है, प्रेडिकेट भी है, और तो और वर्ब भी है. सच अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स इज कॉल्ड क्लॉज, और ऐसे ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं, क्लॉज बोलते हैं. ओके, अ क्लॉज इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट कंटेन्स अ सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड अ प्रेडिकेट. ओके, क्लॉज एक ऐसा ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होता है, वर्ड्स का ऐसा कलेक्शन होता है दैट कंटेन्स अ सब्जेक्ट. ओके, जिसके पास सब्जेक्ट होता है, वर्ब होता है और प्रेडिकेट होता है. ओके, a clause may form part of sentence or it may be complete sentence in itself. Okay, ये या तो part of sentence बना सकता है या तो ये अपने में ही एक complete sentence होता है. Okay, a sentence may contain one clause or more than one clauses. Okay, और एक जो पूरा complete sentence होता है उसमें या तो एक clause या एक से अधिक clause हो सकते हैं. Okay, read these sentences carefully. The boy wanted to go to the movie. Alan ran quickly when he saw a bear approaching him. Sentence 1 has only one clause. That means a boy wanted to go to the movie. So sentence 1 is having only one clause. But sentence 2 has two clause. Okay, first one is Alan ran quickly. पहला वाला जो है clause वो है Alan ran quickly. Okay, and second clause is what is it, when he saw a bear approaching him. Okay, second क्या है, when he saw a bear approaching him. Okay, so after reading this sentence you can say that a sentence can have one clause also and two clause also. एक sentence का एक clause भी हो सकता है या दो clause भी हो सकता है. Okay, can you see here, Alan ran quickly. Okay, it is having one clause. Okay, that is over here. And when he saw a bear approaching him, this is your second clause. Okay, so you can say that a sentence can have two clauses at the same time in it. Okay, got it? Here is the exercise which you have to do it by your own. Identify each group of words as clause or phrase. Okay, so some sentences are given to you over here. You have to identify whether they are clause or whether they are phrase. Okay, this is your homework. You have to do this by your own. Okay, now I think that the difference between phrase and clause is clear to you. Let me explain to you in short again that a phrase is a group of words. Okay, phrase क्या होता है, वो एक group of words होता है, एक group of related words होता है that has neither a subject nor a predicate. Okay, जिसमें ना ही subject होता है ना ही predicate होता है. Okay, और and it does not make a complete sense. Okay, और ये complete sense नहीं बनाता है. Okay, it is not a sentence. हम इसे sentence नहीं बोल सकते हैं. Okay, phrase को. Now we are talking about clause. What is a clause? Clause एक ऐसा group of words होता है जिसमें subject भी होता है, verb भी होता है और predicate भी होता है. Okay, so a clause is a group of words which has both the subject and a predicate, and above all it also has a verb. उसमें verb भी होता है. Okay, so now you can differentiate between clause and phrases very easily. Okay, got it? And one thing more you have to keep in mind कि phrase को हम लोग complete sentence नहीं बोल सकते हैं, but clause को हम लोग complete sentence बोल सकते हैं. Okay, got it? And one thing more, that a sentence can have either one clause or two clause. Okay, एक sentence में दो clause भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, एक के साथ साथ दो clause भी हो सकते हैं. Got it? Okay. So thank you class. Have a nice day and I hope the chapter is clear to you. Thank you.